In this video, we're going to further explore the EasySense2's sharing features. In this version of the EasySense2 software, we're using version 1.0.18. Having the ability to share data allows students and teachers to broadcast their practicals in real time across the entire classroom. There are many scenarios for sharing data. However, a typical scenario might be when a teacher wants to set up an experiment and allow all the students to receive a real-time carbon copy of that practical. The teacher can then analyze the data as a class discussion, or students can further explore the results in their own time. Another scenario might be when groups of students want to share the findings of an experiment between each other or directly to the teacher. Sharing also allows students to catch up on any missed data, which means you can connect to an experiment before, during, or after the experiment has even started. Now we have a basic idea about sharing, let's take a look at how this is set up. The process of sharing data is very quick and the data is shown in real time. Once all devices are connected to the same local network, you can begin the sharing process. Within the EasySense2 software, you can either be a sharer of data, also known as a controller, or a receiver of data, also known as a viewer. For the controller to start sharing data, you simply open the Share menu and click the Share button. You can also rename the controller's name so others can see where that data is coming from. You will also notice that on the bottom right of the EasySense2 software, a sharing icon is displayed along with the controller's name. Sharing as a controller is now enabled. For the viewers, all that's needed is to navigate to the Devices button and look for the controller's name in the list of available devices. Once you click on the controller's name to connect, you are now viewing real-time data from the controller. As a viewer, you can see all the changes made by the controller. These include changes to layouts and chart types, use the analysis tools, and perform calculations. As a viewer, you can disconnect from the controller at any time, ready to save a copy or start your own analysis of the experiment. If the controller disconnects the live stream, the data will also be available to all those that were viewing the data. You are not limited to just displaying the real-time data during a practical experiment. Controllers can also open previously saved data and share that information to all the viewers just as it was saved. That completes our introduction to sharing in the EasySense2 software. We are bringing more sharing features in the future, so keep informed via the YouTube channel. In the next video, we're going to further explore the Tools menu. If you would like to see more videos like this, then please click the like and subscribe buttons. And don't forget to click the bell option to be notified. And if you have any further questions, please contact us through our website at www.data-harvest.co.uk.